Before you spend your money on the Sony XAV-AX5600, there are a few things you really need to know. On paper, it looks like a solid mid-range head unit, but in reality, there are some serious flaws that might make you regret the purchase. Here are 5 reasons why this unit might not be worth it. Reason number 1. No wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. That's right, in 2024, you're still stuck with a cable. Many units in this price range offer full wireless connectivity, but not this one. If you're looking for a clean, clutter-free dash, this isn't it. Reason number 2. Weak screen in sunlight. This 6.95-inch display looks decent in ideal lighting, but in bright daylight? Good luck. Glare and low brightness make it hard to read maps, tap icons, or use your backup cam effectively. It's a big usability problem Sony hasn't fixed. Reason number 3. Basic audio controls. If you're expecting advanced tuning options from Sony, don't. The AX5600 has limited EQ, no time alignment, and weak pre-outs. It'll run factory speakers fine, but for any real system upgrades, it's a bottleneck. Reason number 4. No customization. You get Sony's UI and that's it. No layout adjustments, no home screen tweaks, nothing. What you see is what you're stuck with, and it feels dated fast. Reason number 5. Poor firmware support. Sony isn't known for fast updates, and this unit proves it. Known bugs like Bluetooth glitches and laggy boot up have been around for a while, and Sony's not exactly rushing to fix them. Bottom line? The Sony XAV-AX5600 is clean on the surface, but underdelivers where it counts. No wireless, weak screen, and limited features make it hard to recommend, especially when better options exist at this price.